So I'm Akarshika Goyal. I'm from Electronic City. So basically, I'm a corporate lawyer by profession, but my passion is cooking. So initially, I was running my home food business through WhatsApp. And I was through WhatsApp daily setting the menus and then putting it on WhatsApp group, inviting people to join my WhatsApp group. It was getting really very difficult to manage it completely on WhatsApp. Then one of my co-resident, he introduced me to this app that is MyPadosi. On this app, they can easily see what all the menu items I have listed, and they can just choose and order according to their likings and preferences. And they can see that whether that is for the same day delivery or the next day delivery. It was very difficult to manage on the WhatsApp, but it is getting very easy to manage on this app because payments also they just have to do either UPI or they can do it cash on delivery, and it was easy to take keep a track of the payments also. So to cut short, I would say it is very easy for the residents to go on the MyPadosi app, order according to their likings. Highly recommend this app to everyone. Just go through this app and just experience yourself. Thank you so much.